every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Good day mga Lods, muli po tayo nagbabalik dito sa Yamaha Wison Flagship Store upang makita ng up close and personal ang bagong Yamaha NMAX 2025. Tara at samahan nyo akong tignan. Let's go! At ito na nga ang 2025 NMAX version 3 or NMAX TechMax kung tawagin. May mga design na naiba o binago lalo sa harapang bahagi at maging sa likuran rin. May pagka-futuristic pa rin ang design at overall looks talaga namang elegante tignan. Naka-LED ang lahat ng kanyang lighting system, headlight, taillight at pati na rin ang kanyang mga turn signal lights kasama na ang DRL o daytime running lights. Medyo maliit siya ng konti kung ikukumpara sa version 1 and 2 pero di naman halata maliban kung pagtatabihin mo sila. Naka-dual channel ABS na kung saan isang safety features rin para maiwasan ang sudden brake kahit may kabilisan ng takbo mo at kailangan mong huminto. Mayroon din siyang traction control system na isa ring safety features na kung madadaan ka sa kalsadang babato, mabuhangin o basa ay i-adjust niya sa tamang bilis ang takbo ng motor mo. Mayroon siyang displacement na 155cc, naka-liquid cooled, single cylinder, 4-stroke, single overhead cam, 4-valve. May compression ratio na 11/6:1. Ang kanya namang maximum power ay 15 horsepower at 8,000 RPM at meron siyang maximum torque na 14.2 Nm at 6,500 RPM. 7.1 liters naman ang kanyang fuel tank capacity. Naka 3D emblem na color gold ang salitang NMAX sa magkabilang gilid nito. Pag sinabing NMAX, tsak may malapad at komportabling upuan at may underseat storage na 25 liters na kasyang isang full face helmet kasama ng mga tools and documents. Mayroon siyang 4.2-inch TFT digital front panel, dual screen. Lahat naman ng impormasyon ay dun mo makikita ng malinaw, lalo na ang battery health. Nasa bandang kaliwa ng handlebar ang high and low beam button, signal light switch, horn button, shift at menu/navigation button para sa front panel. Sa bandang kanan naman ang stop and start, hazard at push start button. Smart keyless at may answer back key para madaling makita ang motor lalo at nasa public parking space. Dual side pocket na isa lang ang may cover at electric power socket pang charge sa ating mga gadget. Telescopic fork ang kanyang front suspension. Hydraulic disc brake with single piston caliper naman ang ginamit sa front braking system. Samantala, 110 by 70 by 13 ang unahang gulong. Tubeless pa rin to mga lods. Sa rear suspension ay naka-unit swing. Ang kanya namang rear braking system ay disc brake with single piston caliper. Ang size naman ng huling gulong ay 130 by 70 by 13. Tubeless din yan mga lods. Pagdating naman sa kanyang dimension ay meron siyang height na 1,200 mm, width na 740 mm, length na 1,935 mm, seat height na 770 mm, wheelbase na 1,340 mm at ang kanyang ground clearance ay 125 mm. Ang NMAX version 3 ay may SRP na 175,900 pesos.
Time